In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the Bavsound Ghost Subwoofers in an F33. All right, so the sub is gonna be super easy. All we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna lift the seat up, and then I like to start in the front, so we're gonna move the seat all the way back. All right, so there are clips in the front that you need to release. So the first one is right up here, and basically the way you do it is you just lift up in the middle, and then this slides up. All right, so now you're left with 2 bolts in the front, and those are gonna use a T50. I'm gonna use the one included in the Bavsound toolkit. All right, now that we got those 2 front out, we're going to slide this forward all the way. So in the back here, we have 1, 2, and 3 T50s to remove. And this subwoofer should really take you about 5 minutes maybe. All right, so now that we have the bolts removed, we can literally just take the seat and rock it backwards. So now you're gonna take the T20 that's in your Bavsound kit, and there's 4 screws. There's one here, here, and here. And you're just gonna release those. One thing I like too about this Bavsound kit is the driver is magnetic. All right, so this cover is gonna lift off, and there is your OEM sub. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these 4 T20s. Okay, so now there is a plug. I'm just taking that right angle pick tool from Bavsound. I'm going to press the tab in, and this comes out. So here's the plug, and basically you're just taking a pick tool, you're going right in here, and you're pressing that tab in and then pulling the plug out. So now the sub is free. All right, so now we're gonna take our new Bavsound sub. This thing looks amazing. Next to the OEM, like, the difference is huge. Really, really nice quality. So now we're just gonna take this and we're just gonna slide it in the same way that the OEM was. And you'll see that tab where it plugs in. Just line up that tab. That's gonna make it a whole lot easier to get everything situated. All right, so now we just take those T20s. All right, so now we wanna plug this in, and that's it. That is how you install the Bavsound Ghost Subwoofers.